Welcome to Kids All Day. My name is Ricky.
And my name is Cheyenne, but you can call me Shay Shay.
So what are we doing today, guys?
Magic milk.
Tools are beaker and eyedropper.
We also need milk, food coloring, dish soap, and cotton swab.
Oh no, right here.
Okay.
Sorry.
So how do we start this? What do we need right now? What are we gonna start with?
Milk.
With milk.
The
Okay.
milk of justice.
Okay. Ready to go in and pour the milk? When you pour
Fill beaker up to heart line with milk. Heart. Ricky!
Shane, don't shake it. All
Stop.
right, good job.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
Yes.
It's a little.
Put the
It's
cap on.
perfect.
What's next?
Use eyedropper to drop 3-5 drops of food coloring on top.
So y'all start that doing it.
And then open the screen.
Now you got one. And Daddy got one. 1, 2,
What
3,
color is that?
4. I don't know.
What color is that?
That's 6. This one is red.
And this one is like I don't know, like a yellow and oranges. 5, 2, 3, 4. Ricky.
Lemon
5.
yellow.
Ricky, that's more than 5.
No. 4.
Thank you.
There you go. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're gonna mix.
Ricky, the third one. Ricky. What does it say? Number 3.
Using cotton swab, dip in dish soap, touch the drops of coloring.
Okay. It's already on. So Ricky, get your thing on. Hold it.
Get closer to the.
Okay, I'm close. Now put it in. Put it in and stir it. Ricky, let me stir too.
So what color is that? Can you
Teal,
guess?
it's teal, it's teal. It's
That's teal? I
Yeah.
don't know if it look like teal. You know
It
what's
looks
funny?
like light blue.
I'm gonna look like this color.
No, it's not fire. This color. No, it's green. It's like
I
lightish
don't think that's green.
greenish.
Put some on there and test that out.
No, not this. The food coloring, Ricky.
Not the, well, you can see the color. So that's the color? Okay, shine this a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Food coloring.
Add it.
Don't drop too much. Ricky.
Why are
That's
you
it.
dropping it?
There's only 2 big drops. Go.
It looks like
That's it.
kinda. It just make it like beautiful.
How?
Okay, that's it. Wow, this looks pretty nice so far.
It looks.
Can't get green.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Keep stirring. Okay. Now put some on the paper and see what color that is. I'm not sure what color that would be.
It's like it's dark teal. I know that's that color. Oh, look what I made.
Look at what I made.
I'm gonna smiley face.
Wait, I need this. Did you enter this? No color change, just green.
Mine is color changing, like a little dash of lemonade.
What do we pour this?
I'm just gonna dash on here. Really?
I need more Dawn.
Here. The Dawn? And I'm gonna need more Dawn too. Ew.
That's it.
Excuse me? I need Ricky, our sky blue and
Alright, that's
everything
okay.
made something.
Doesn't make anything. Doesn't make anything. Oh wait, it makes the same color. Match. See?
Wow, nice.
I made a match.
It's like painting, Daddy. You like what I'm making?
This probably looks pretty good. Nice.
Daddy, I'm gonna draw you. But first, I'm gonna need brown. But I can't.
Is food coloring?
That's a shade. No more food color.
Is food coloring by itself edible?
Yes, it is.
No, I mean like if I drink this right now, is it
Good,
edible?
but you don't want to drink that now. Yeah. Probably make you sick.
It has red 3 in it.
Yeah, right? So that's not a good thing.
Ricky,
You don't want
look what color I made.
Look at what color I
Oh,
made.
look at that. That looks pretty nice. Man.
Look at my color.
Look at my color, Ricky. Ricky, look at
Wow,
mine.
that looks pretty nice, guys.
Ricky, look. You see how cool this is?
Awesome.
I'm making like this.
I'm using both of them.
All right, guys. Let's.
It's doing
All right, guys. So
I made a fish action.
so what did we do today, guys?
We made magic man.
Awesome. So do you guys know what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do next?
But next we are going to do.
Ricky,
Look at my stuff. We're going to do make it rain.
no.
We need shaving cream and food color.
We don't have shaving cream, Ricky.
We do.
You don't.
We don't.
Make it rain.
We can use this without the Arctic tablet. We need water, vegetable oil, and food coloring in Arctic tablet. And I'm gonna skip that.
Okay. So so how do you guys think about this project we did? This experiment. How was it?
Nice.
It was nice.
And it's pretty. Hey guys, like our
channel.
page.
Like our channel.
Hit that bell really hard.
Hit that subscriber button.
Peace out.
Peace out, little girls and boys. Have a great time. Come and press that subscribe button. And make sure to give us a lot of subscribers.